That day, as I was on my way home from work, I witnessed a heartbreaking scene. Someone locked the mother cat in the railing of the road. Poor three little and adorable kittens were meowing in despair. Without hesitation, I approached to comfort the three poor kittens. I quickly brought out some food, trying to soothe the mother cat's fear. She quickly ran home and brought out a cage. When the cage opened, they seemed bewildered as to what was happening. In a little while, these cats will be going home with me. The cats were still looking around in confusion, because the scene here was still too strange to them. Every day they stick by my side, never leaving my side. Now the cats have a warm and happy place next to the woman. She did all the preparation for the cats' delicious and hearty meals. They ate happily and gradually got used to their new environment.
That day, while I was walking, I witnessed a touching scene. A little dog was running out into the street, barking loudly to attract attention. A man passing by stopped to look. The little dog looked like it needed help. It tried to let the man know that inside the curb there was another dog lying motionless after being hit by a car. The dog was badly injured and could no longer move. The man fumbled for a moment, then took out a towel, spread it on the road, and gently lifted the injured dog inside. The man fumbled for a moment, then took out a towel, spread it on the road, and gently lifted the injured dog inside. After a while of trying, the dog woke up but was still very weak. He continued to massage it and brought it some water and food. When he saw that the situation seemed to improve, he gently brought the two dogs home for easier care. On the way back, I felt very happy and full of meaning. Both are much better now. They were eating and playing again. The yellow dog was truly a hero, not abandoning his friend in times of trouble.
That day, while I was resting, I heard the meowing and crying of newborn kittens echoing from behind the house. I ran out to see, and before my eyes was a pitiful sight. A mother cat is giving birth. Their children were connected by the umbilical cord, conjoined. The mother cat could only look at her kittens and cry miserably, not knowing what to do. I have to be very careful and gentle so the kittens don't get hurt. I keep the kittens close to the mother cat so they can easily suckle. I brought the mother cat some food to help her regain her strength after giving birth. There are 5 adorable little kittens in total. I decided to bring them all home to take care of. I feel so happy and joyful to have helped this little cat family. Kittens are now safe and well cared for.